Really, Robyn? Unforgivable? So we all have to be held hostage because of your drawn-out falling out with Candiace? I hope you don't think you can ice Candy Pants out, like your green-eyed bestie. Well, today we are focusing on our RHOP's R&B star and actress Candiace Dillard, and how to fix a broken friendship. Hello, and welcome to Aya the Alchemist, your premier source for a masterclass in life lessons. I'm Aya, and I'm here to guide you through the twists and turns of reality TV drama, turning the chaos into powerful tools for self-improvement, personal development, and life motivation. I believe that life is the ultimate reality show, and every drama-packed episode is an opportunity for growth. Join me as I break down the juicy drama from Bravo TV, extracting valuable lessons that can transform your life. Are you ready to navigate life's drama with a touch of wisdom? Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. In this season of the Real Housewives of Potomac, Candiace and Robyn just aren't seeing eye to eye anymore. After Robyn decided to tell her followers on her Patreon and podcast that one had been talking to another woman, the whole Bravo fanbase have been upset with Robyn. And when I'm honest, it turned me off knowing that Candiace's husband Chris Bassett was being dragged through the mud by Giselle and Ashley, and Robyn kept being quiet about her situation with Juan to have an unnoticeable storyline. Well, we all had opinions on Robyn and Juan's relationship and his faithfulness towards her, but Robyn is upset especially with one person's opinions. Candiace had been rightfully so upset and confused when the news broke that Robyn was hiding that Juan had inappropriately talked to a Canadian woman and paid a hotel receipt for the young lady. But in the end, Robyn is so much upset with Candiace that she thinks it is unforgivable what Candiace did to her. So what did Candiace actually do? Candiace tweeted her opinions on social media and called her a fraud on House of Aaron. I mean, we all agreed on what she was saying because we all thought and said the same things about Robyn. Let me refresh what Candiace posted on social media. I got the post from the article allabouttea.com. Candiace wrote, "Wow, a thread. Our boss's favorite clapback when we're playing coy about certain aspects of our lives is, you're on a reality show about your life. There is an expectation that, doing no harm, we show up to this platform as our authentic selves. And while we reserve the right to be judicious about what we share, there is a special brand of audacity attached to individuals who will knowingly bury the lead in exchange for damning and salacious lies that stand to cause irreparable harm to innocent people." Candiace also noted that the integrity of the premise of the show took a hit and that the behavior tap dances on the intelligence of the viewership that champion our stories and discover their own parallels in our lives. And when it's not that deep, it simply occludes amusement. It's not entertaining. It's not interesting. It's whack. Why be open or genuine or authentic when the least of us can rob our viewers of the truth and continually be rewarded for it? What are we doing? And a better question, what are you all watching? What do you think? Was Candiace's thoughts on Robyn's deception or secrecy justified? Or do you think Candiace betrayed Robyn by sharing those tweets? In my opinion, Candiace had a right to be upset with the situation because her husband Chris was under attack on the last season of the Real Housewives of Potomac for an accusation that could have gotten Chris cancelled in the cooking industry as well totally destroy his image overall. The accusation that Giselle and Ashley made could have broken their marriage if the foundation of their relationship wasn't solid enough. Thank God they made it through, and it seems it made their marriage even stronger, but it was really messed up and dark to try to allude that Chris purposefully makes women uncomfortable and has a wandering eye. Candiace's tweets didn't even insult Robyn or her relationship. It lets me believe that Robyn just wanted all of her co-stars to be quiet about her situation and only discuss it on the show. Meanwhile, your so-called friend's husband name was dragged through the mud, and you even co-signed that it is inappropriate for a married man to be alone with a single woman in a hotel room. Mind you, that was your last chance to mention that your husband might have been in a hotel room with a single woman because he so generously paid for her hotel room. Sorry, it starts to annoy me a little bit. To sum it up, I think Robyn is overreacting, and her husband Juan isn't even bothered about what Candiace said and did. Candiace has been really emotional during the Austin trip because of the demise of her friendship with Robyn. But it really makes no sense for Candiace to mend that friendship because Robyn is too close to Giselle. We see that during this season, Candiace is trying hard to understand why Robyn doesn't want to be friends with her anymore. And if I'm honest, she actually wants to mend the friendship, but I don't know if it makes sense to trust Robyn again. After one falling out, Robyn is okay to try to ice you out because Giselle is on a mission to ignore Candiace until she isn't around anymore. If Robyn was ever Candiace's friend, she would never want to push her out of the group. But like most bloggers say on YouTube, the women on the Real Housewives franchises are not, or most likely not, friends in real life. And how rude is it that Robyn thinks she can keep her husband's inappropriate behavior hidden on the show, try to sell it on Patreon, and then hope to still have her job on reality TV, and meanwhile push out her co-star because she publicly criticized your behavior of going against your job description. As we continue to witness the death of a friendship between Candiace and Robyn, it's a reminder that friendships, even under the spotlight, can face challenges. Now, let's shift our focus to a more relatable realm, fixing a broken friendship. Friendships are complex, and mending them requires the right approach. So join me as we explore the dynamics of repairing bonds. If you're new here, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Aya the Alchemist for more content on reality TV drama. Let's get through a number of ways to fix a broken friendship. Number 1. Understanding the issue. First things first, before we can fix a broken friendship, it's crucial to understand what went wrong. Take some time to reflect on the situation. What caused the rift? Was it a misunderstanding, a specific event, or a gradual drift? Knowing the root cause is the first step in finding a solution. Number 2. Taking responsibility. If you played a part in the issue, it's essential to take responsibility for your actions. In any relationship, acknowledging mistakes is key. Apologize sincerely and show genuine remorse. Taking responsibility sets the stage for open communication. Number 3. Communication. Communication is the heart of any relationship. Initiate an open and honest conversation with your friend. Choose a quiet and private setting where you can talk without distractions. Be ready to listen as much as you speak. It's a two-way street. Number 4. Active listening. Active listening is crucial during this conversation. Allow your friend to express their feelings without interruption. Sometimes the act of sharing emotions can be healing in itself. Listen with empathy and understanding. Number 5. Apologize and forgive. If apologies are needed, offer them sincerely. On the flip side, be open to forgiveness. Forgiveness is a powerful tool in rebuilding trust. Remember, it's okay to forgive and seek forgiveness. Number 6. Establishing boundaries. Discussing boundaries is another important step. What are the expectations moving forward? Clear communication about personal boundaries helps in preventing future conflicts. Be honest about what you need from the friendship. Number 7. Patience in the process. Rebuilding a friendship takes time. Be patient and realistic about the process. Understand that both of you may need time to heal. It's a gradual journey, not a quick fix. Number 8. Rebuilding trust. Trust is the foundation of any healthy relationship. Be consistent in your actions and demonstrate that you can be relied upon. Rebuilding trust is a gradual process. Don't rush it. Number 9. Making amends. If there were specific actions that caused the rift, consider making amends. Acts of kindness, gestures, or compromises can go a long way in showing your commitment to the friendship. Number 10. Moving forward. As you work on fixing the broken friendship, focus on finding common ground. Reconnecting through shared interests can strengthen the bond. Embrace the changes, learn from the experience, and grow together in new ways. As we navigate reality TV friendships, the saga between Candiace and Robyn serves as a reminder of the challenges friendships can face. The demise of their connection prompts us to explore a more relatable theme: fixing a broken friendship. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the complexities of friendship dynamics, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Aya the Alchemist for more content on reality TV drama. Now let's quickly recap the key steps we discussed in mending a broken friendship. Number 1. Understanding the issue. Number 2. Taking responsibility. Number 3. Communication. Number 4. Active listening. Number 5. Apologize and forgive. Number 6. Establishing boundaries. Number 7. Patience in the process. Number 8. Rebuilding trust. Number 9. Making amends. Number 10. Moving forward. Thank you for joining me on today's exploration of friendship dynamics. If you have thoughts or want to share your experiences, feel free to comment below. Until next time, take care, and don't forget to subscribe for more reality drama we can learn from. This is Aya the Alchemist. Stay tuned for more.